lathiza besithanda it does bafika basingahamba manje sizofika eGauteng ngo4 ekseni it's going to be a problem when it's 4 a.m. but abantwana besikolo asambeni sedropit cabanga they took us to a tavern leyana a friend of mine ukuzu beka stout ukuzu beka bamxosha esikolweni ukuzu the way beka stout ngakhona beka corrupt nje ukuzu wangena waya ku jukebox wathatha 50 rand faka ama5 wacela ama5 we 50 rand mara ngoba ukuzu akafundanga from the best what choosing ngoma yi1
for 50 rand
50 rand
oh no
ikhale kangakele ngoma abantu abazi ikhale ka 100
oh my
ngaba le ngoma iFong Kong. Yes, you remember Hong Kong? From Hong Kong.
yeah
King. Mbali, ikhala 100 and manje ukuze msaba. Phela kuhle ngoma. Ubanje le ngoma, phela simamele lalela ufuna ucima jukebox kabani? Ufuna ucima jukebox akakuzi yeah ifitira. Uthi press abathi no abuthi ukhethela kupina A1. Athi yeah.
Ucanga uzochange
Yeah, bekade mqahlahle befuna ukus DJ yena.
oh
Manje java ku DJ ume phambi kwayo manje cima uzobona. Cima uphethe ibhodlela la so uzocima ting chomfong. Yaza malikusela ngoma sawazi wonke.
Ngenkani
Lalela masibhali unprepared ngoba nabathi namhlanje sibhala ama essay. Bona lapho ubhala musubhorile phone ndawo dayimizo. Because this is the thing about our masters basesikele. There is no way an English teacher, a primary school or a high school will go through all our essays and read them word by word wonke.
they do
250 words. Bali.
do.
Hi, I found it okay. Wow, this past Tuesday was a spring day. One was angeke. Upegi heading, a peg in the middle, a peg ending. But okay, I'll get the guy. Yeah, there is no way. Besides, we prayed English, we prayed. Because stating in Zaranjan. So la pardon now, Palama lyrics and gom. What is it? La part of Ting, Fong Tong. Chang, Lang Ching, Sing, Lang,
how do you spell it?
You don't spell it, you just write it. You don't need to spell anything, just write it. You'll write, you open your statement, super strong. Your argument is very tight. Like in the middle, when I'm now I know the answer lies in you. This is my pain. I've been hurt so bad. Times it makes me sad. Would you rain on me? Rain on me.
Oh, no. Rain.
Paloma Vinke, sexual healing. Healing is something that's good for me. Ukuzo pali quite a song in the middle in English le pali quite a song. Zoy tolerant. Remember English itala was that. But I feel makamaka said English. Uchamakat what?
A wise African man once said, Zoitolaranja.
As we were walking through the jungle, Zoitolaranja. So Zoitolaranja and second Kozo. So but school days were the best days too. Like right now we're celebrating. La Prachi was talking about going back to school.
Yes, during the week.
Yeah, and what would you change? I'm like, there's a whole lot of things I would change. First of all, I would change like how I listen in class because mina vele gena ngaphuma ngapha mina good go accounting good go economics ne business economics because bengithanda labantu abafundisa lideng ngithanda so I'm a hot man bawangafundisi kuphela they will always guide you in life. So Mr. Saroka will teach us economics. Mr. Saroka akunamuntu othola 60 akuna student othola 60 so it's between 70 and 100. Ungathola total that year the way antswembu ngakhona so you read to understand. Mina thina sebe lo beka sithethisa bo athi sibabi and yeah ukasibe umuntu fail sikhumba no ishebe boy
pick a struggle
yeah pick a struggle man come on nahana bo share bo shebara impendi doma hawa somebody but imbi bathola 86% and now you encourage you that one fana ngikeleze la mara kunenye ukuzibeka fail noma ngabe mubi kangakanani 12 ayikho into erombe kanjalo vele beka
Beka need intervention.
Intervention. Intervention lekasi.
Everybody needs intervention. Already mina when I'm listening to you I'm like uthi beka stoti beka ngakhona ukuphasa beka ngakhona uconcentrate intervention.
Bese mabeskwene enzeni abe ne aftercare.
Yes, and an after program also
Elokishini.
extracurricular activity.
Sorry, Elokishini, I as in extracurricular.
Hayi ugeza ama window. Hayi ukuletha ama paving.
Njengoba ungena wenze kahle wafika ke amalahle.
No.
No, that is extra curriculum vitae. Yeah.
It's detention.
No, detention is punishment.
Yeah,
We're speaking about
punishment in this very.
Oh, because you're telling amalahle ke boku detention.
normal living.
Well, you're an alcoholic when you're growing up. That's what you said. Makalisha ukuthi wena wawuphuza umncane. Utshela thina ukuthi detention. Thina besithenga amalahle cho.
I was not an alcoholic.
Chores. Chores are necessary.
Chores, not
Yes,
no,
chores
not
are
detention.
necessary.
Yeah, it seems like.
But
hard
they
labor.
shaped us to be the men that we are today. I can cook, I can clean, I know how to take care of family, I know how to take care of home. Oh, mommy, listen, mommy, listen. Imagine to drive my pool. Oh, mommy, listen, mommy. Oh, you're pointing a finger at me. Okay, let me call my mom.
I'm gonna tell my mom.
Una 37, this is guy. Una 37.
We need to raise our kids to know that it's okay to be emotional.
At 37 and call your mom and tell mommy.
Why not? If I'm
my
still
wife
alive.
My wife is shouting at me.
Why not? If I'm still alive.
Oy Mbali, oy.
You see, that's the problem.
Indoda
Indoda. You guys tell us, don't tell your boy kids to cry. Don't tell because indoda can't. No. That's why that's why you guys go out for 3 days because you're running away from the conflict in the house.
No,
when you
we have
an
alcohol problem.
Exactly. Why? Because
Why
you're running away from your
why
problem.
focus on alcohol problem?
Because it's from your upbringing.
Yeah.
It's coming from your upbringing.
No.
So
Mbali,
you
as
don't
a-
just wake up and become an alcoholic. These things are compounded issues that are in
No,
you.
maybe it's not
that keep
issues.
growing.
No, not all the alcohol problem are issues.
Why
Some
not?
of the issues would be more cool about taste fun.
That's still abuse. Your upbringing was a problem. Your upbringing was a problem. That means
Never.
your upbringing was a problem.
Mtupi, sikhula kanjalo thina. Hey, phuza, you taste njani?
That's abusive.
No, it's not abusive.
It is abusive.
Ibulala ama-worms. Utshwala wazi ibulala ama-worms.
No.
That's why mntana kwama kaphuma mama said, "Mommy, Carl, uyayibheka
How's
do."
about you deworm?
Thina wethu,
Aniye ekliniki sikhumbuzo lawn business ngiphuza nelion elokishini.
Ibulala
Hambisana abantwana
ama-worms.
ekliniki. Hambisana abantwana ekliniki bayohlaba.
Ilayini mengene esiswini ibona ama-worms ithini? Ithina ama-worms. Awuthi ngidla ukudla. Idla ama-worms ilayini, idla ama-worms. Wazositshela ngathi wena so i-gynecologist yezizwe.